So, why should you become a software developer? Well, it's really up to you. What do you like to do? Some people like to work as a cashier, working grocery, and doing those kind of things for a living. That's not a problem. And in this channel, I'm not here to advise anybody to break into the industry. It's surely based on your own opinion. And I'm not the guy that recommends you guys to take higher education either, because I'm definitely sure that you can learn most of the things just by watching videos, doing stuff, and actually trying to apply for a software developer intern job. So when we talk about that, how do you apply for a software developer intern job? Well, there are many steps to it, but I can give you 3 steps that are really nice in order to do that. First, you gotta look at yourself. Where do you want to be and where do you want to work? So is it something that you should focus too much on, which company that you should work for, or should you be more careful about which experience you're getting out of that opportunity? So let's say that you find a software developer job online. You apply for it and you see that you need to know HTML, CSS, and React. You say to yourself, oh, I know HTML, and I know a little bit of CSS, and I've seen some JavaScript tutorials, but I don't know React. Should you then not apply for that job? Well, no. As a consultant working with customers, I've seen the process that's going through when you're working directly with the managers that are trying to sell you in. The real thing here is that most people doesn't care that much about what you can or what you know in the beginning. It's more about, can you get the job done? Today we have a lot of software tools like ChatGPT, OpenAI, which have come out lately. You have access to YouTube, you have access to friends, families, colleagues maybe you've worked with before, or maybe you know some people from your school, maybe they become a software developer. Why not reach out to them and ask? Well, you should definitely write a letter saying why you want to apply for that job, that you maybe don't know all the things that are necessary in order to land that job, but just be open about it with your manager or with the person that you're trying to reach when you're applying. Say, I'm really eager to learn all the necessary stuff, all the necessary things and technology that you guys want me to do. I would say at least it could take me 2 weeks in order to get up to speed with React. Because I'm a fast learner and I'm really motivated to get going in this role. By saying it like that, you show that you're adaptable and that you're humble. So it's easy to form you in order to fit any role that you would like to have. And then don't be so specific about I want to earn this or that. Think more about this as an opportunity that you're getting in order to become a software developer. When you have been working here for at least 1 year, you would know React, you would know JavaScript by heart, and you would know HTML and CSS. So now once you have a LinkedIn profile, probably a lot of people are trying to gonna get you, because software developers are really hot out there today. Technology has come to be, at least in this system of things right now. But soon it will change, but that's a video for another topic. But right now you can definitely use those skills that you have in order to land a software developer job and in order to get an entry-level job. So when it comes to the salary, if they say that you get not that good salary, you don't need to negotiate and say, I want this salary, as a lot of people would recommend you to do. If it can pay the bills, if it can give you milk on the table and give you some bread, I mean, it's a step, it's a process. Once you have worked there for 1 year, and I believe that 1 year it takes a lot of time, people think, but it goes really, really fast. So 1 year ahead, you are a software developer. You can call yourself a software developer on a resume now. And if they really like you, they're probably going to give you a bit higher salary. If they don't, then it's going to be a lot of people that are going to try to reach you now. So make sure to have that LinkedIn profile set it up. Make sure to be a bit active on social media, not every day, but just post some things here and there. And just be proactive by researching where you want to work, and now just try to apply for it. Even though you don't know React, but you know HTML and CSS and a little bit of JavaScript, Just be open about it and say, I'm eager to learn, I want to get this opportunity, try me out, guys. Alright, guys, this is the helpful tips, hopefully for you guys, that I tried to help you about in this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming up on this channel and a lot of new things also coming up. And I'm also planning to make a course on .NET and maybe React afterwards, but specifically .NET and backend development. If you like that, please comment down below. I would love that for sure. But if you also like Microsoft Dynamics and want to be a business consultant, then also comment down below that, because I also know Business Central almost by heart now. Well, not by heart, but I'm starting to really get my feet into it. So I'm also going to make a course on that later on. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a great week and happy coding. See you out there.